A student asked if I could explain the phrase, I beg to differ. What does it mean, and when do we use it? I beg to differ means I disagree. Like if your friend says, Avatar is the greatest movie of all time, and you reply, I beg to differ. The Matrix is way better. In British English, this phrase is considered quite formal and polite, but it's actually not super common in American English. When we want to disagree politely, we'd probably say something like, I'm afraid I disagree, or sorry, but I don't agree in more formal situations, or something like, I don't think so, or no way in more informal situations, or something even more indirect like, well, in my opinion, or actually, I think, or I see it differently, and then express your point of view. There's your answer. Follow me for more English tips and click on the link in the video description to download our past Ask the Teacher lessons.
If you want more great English lessons, visit espressoenglish.net, where you can sign up by email to receive a free ebook with 500 plus real English phrases. You'll also find online courses to help you improve your English fast, even if you don't have much time to study. Keep practicing your English, and I hope you have a wonderful day.